Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing a pocket letter that I'm creating. I haven't done a full-size pocket letter in a while, so I thought it would be fun to kind of challenge myself once again and make a big one. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you like pocket letters and you're totally into Galentines and stuff, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I have kind of a fun announcement to share with you guys. So make sure you stick around. But for right now, I'm just going to talk about what I'm doing on the screen. So here I have already cut down all of my papers, and as you guys may know, I am trying to use up my stash this year. I have a whole video about my January/February stash video, which I will link down below for you guys in case you haven't seen it. But this pocket letter, I'm using up a bunch of my stash, which makes me super happy. Here I'm creating my own kind of version of a shaker pocket. I didn't want to have to whip out my fuse tool, and I wanted my pen pal to be able to reuse all the sequins, so I just put them in a little bag and adhered the bow. They can take that off if they want and reuse it. Yeah, and I'm just doing my whole washi layering situation that I really love to do. I feel like it adds a nice little pattern and interest and stuff to my cards. So if you're ever curious about how to use your washi, layer that stuff up. Layer it up, like at least 3 of them, and it will look super cool. So definitely give that a try if you have not already. And here I'm just kind of figuring out where I want some of the die cuts from the CRAFTY Heart Day collection to go. I'm sorry if I kind of do stuff off screen a little bit. I kind of was in the groove and I forgot that I was supposed to keep things up a little higher for you guys to see. So like right here, I'm so sorry. I'll try not to do that again. But here I'm just layering up some stickers on top of a little bit of crepe paper that my friend Sabrina Ann had sent to me, and yeah, just kind of trying to figure out where I want all this decorative stuff to go. Sometimes I like having the ephemera kind of hang off the end or edge, I guess, and I cut off the excess. I love adding staples to things. This collection especially has kind of like decorative, I don't know, imagery or whatever of like washi and staples anyway, so it kind of lent itself really well to my style of adding washi and staples. So I thought that was kind of fun, and I really love this glitter paper. I got it around Christmas time in a haul. Yeah, so I wanted to use some of that because the gold of that matched that bow perfectly, right? It's so pretty, so I definitely want to use those. And I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy using a mix of like cardstock stickers and the chipboard stickers and then ephemera pieces and stuff, and I really enjoy layering like different elements like that. Here I'm adding some washi to the side of a new pocket page because silly me, when I was doing the first one, I ripped some of the pocket sides, so I had to move that big love chipboard sticker over to a new page, which is fine. That actually wasn't difficult because I didn't use any like super hardcore adhesive to put that in place. So that's a good thing, but I have been waiting to use that big love banner thing for so long, you guys. I swear I have, because I knew it would be perfect on a giant pocket letter like this. So I was waiting and waiting to do this video so that I could use that, and I think it looks so cute. And here I'm just adding a bunch of gemmies to my cards because I can't not. I'm all about it. I have a link down below to my favorite gemmies. You get like thousands of them, you guys, for like $10 or $11 on Amazon. So if you're interested in gemmies and you want to stock up for not much money, go check that link out. And I figured at this point it might be a good time to mention that some of the links down below to the items that I talk about or mention in the videos that I make, some of them are affiliate links, which I don't know if you guys are familiar with those or not. Real quick though, I'm just packaging up some goodies to put in this like pocket letter thing, so just keep watching. Those paper clips are super cute. Okay, so anyway, affiliate links, they help support the channel a little bit. They don't cost you anything extra if you wind up purchasing something through them. Like the gemmies, if you were to go buy those, they wouldn't charge you more for them or anything, but I would get a small little commission off of that for recommending them and linking and all that. So if you guys want to support the channel a little bit, you can definitely use my links down below. If you're not into that, totally get it. It's totally fine. We can totally still be friends. Not a problem at all. But yeah, so they're down there in case you want them. They're there. Here I'm finishing up decorating some of these little baggies. You guys know I love to package up the goodies really cute, so this pocket letter is a little bit special, so I thought I would go a little bit above and beyond to make the goodies look a little bit more fun too. And the reason that this pocket letter is so much fun and so special is because I'm doing a giveaway, woo, for one of you guys. So one person will win this amazing, if I do say so myself, Galentines themed pocket letter from me to you. It is open internationally. You do have to be 18 or above. You must be a subscriber to enter. And then all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below with who is your Galentine this year and why. Why do you love your Galentine? I want to know all about it. The winner will be chosen at random and contacted on February 13th, which is Galentine's Day, and then you have 24 hours to respond or choose a new winner. So go do all that down below in the comments, and do make sure that you're a subscriber. But that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!